Proudly serving Bowling Green and neighboring communities, Affordable Heat and Air is a full-service air conditioning and heating contractor, providing top-of-the-line HVAC installation and repair services for residential or commercial customers. Our products are fit and fine-tuned for quality performance and built for durability, keeping our customers comfortable in their homes and businesses all year round. So if you need the best in repairs or maintenance, you can trust our certified technicians to handle any task. Have questions? Want to schedule a routine check of your existing system? Call us today at 270-846-2665. Affordable Heat and Air. HVAC repairs and maintenance done right.